Yeah, today we're doing avocado chocolate mousse. The cacao tree is native to the Amazon basin. More than 4,000 years ago, it was consumed by pre-Hispanic cultures and they used it in spiritual ceremonies, and it's been called the food of the gods. Today I'm going to use some raw cacao and a bunch of other semi-healthy ingredients to create chocolate avocado mousse. For two people, I would use one avocado. Avocados are rich in anti-inflammatory properties which help relieve arthritis. Avocados are also really good all-round powerhouse of nutrients and healthy fats. They're also great for helping to regulate blood pressure, and they're also great for the heart. If they're so great for the heart, why don't we call them avocados? Peel and bung in 2 bananas. Add a tablespoonful of honey. Today I'm actually going to be using brown rice malt syrup. I like to use brown rice malt syrup because it's slightly lower on the glycemic load. I said at the beginning of the video about using peanut butter. I'm actually going to use almond butter. I prefer almond butter because a lot of peanut butters actually do have sugar in them. So again, I'm just going to lob in here a nice dessert spoonful. Add in a splash of milk of your choice. I'm going to be using almond milk, but you could also put in coconut milk or cashew milk. Pop in your avocado. Add in a nice teaspoon of raw cacao powder. Just make sure all the ingredients mixed in. Sometimes the cacao can get stuck to the side or the honey might stick to the bottom. And then just serve it up. I'll put all of the ingredients to today's recipe into the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified of all of our latest uploads. They include interviews, reviews, and of course more recipes like we've done today. I can't wait to dig into this. My mouth's been watering while I was doing that last little bit. Nice.